If you'd like to see how cool this new Olight SPERE light is, you may want to keep watching this video. This is awesome, it's very affordable, and it has so many different light settings, and you'll definitely love it. Huge shout out and thank you to Olight for sending me the Olight SPERE. Opening this product, I can already tell it's very high quality. The packaging is top tier. It was very sturdy and very well packaged. Congrats on your new Olight SPERE is what it says. I'm going to show you the contents of the box. And first, there is the Olight right there. Very small but mighty. It had a nice little dust covering on it, which was very nice. And then inside, there's plenty of instructions. There's a charger, there's some cute little eyeball stickers, and there's this little metal badge. Okay, so it comes with a user manual. Oh, it's pretty thick. Safety warnings. And this is the USB charging cord. This is really cute. It has a nice heavy duty feel to it. Very nice. I'm not sure what this is. I'm thinking maybe it's a battery or something. Okay, so this is the instructions. Oh. So there's 3M on the back of this, so that wherever you place this, you can just have the light on it. I'm not sure how to cut this on yet. We're going to figure this all out together. Let this charge, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to pair it with the app. I'm not sure if you can see my phone, but you just download the Olight app on iPhone or Google Play with your Android phone, and I believe it's pairing. I'm not exactly sure. I may have to play around with this a little bit longer and just come back to the video. But this light is so pretty. It is like really pretty. I'm gonna cut out my ring light and everything so you can really see it, and I'm gonna see how to operate it from the phone. But if I can't figure this out now, I'll just move forward. Because it's like you turn it on and it's just showing these beautiful lights. Let's cut off this ring light. Look how pretty this is. I'm actually going to cut more light out so you can see how bright and beautiful this is. It's so pretty. You just kind of click the bottom and it's like so many different light settings. Okay, so there's about 5 different light settings once you're just pressing the bottom of it. There's like 4 prongs at the bottom. The very center prong is the on and off area. The other 3 prongs, those are for the charger. And you will need to have your own little box to charge up the USB. But just clicking through some of these modes, they're absolutely beautiful. But just wait a minute. I highly suggest you download the app. There's over 20 different settings and they're all fabulous. We'll get into that later on in the video. But this light is already, it's just already such a remarkable experience. I'm impressed already, but I get even more impressed once I figure out how to actually get the app up and running. It's simple. Click the center button 3 times at the bottom to enter into pairing mode and it'll turn green. So that's where I am now, and I'm just trying to, oh, perfect. Now it says devices found to be configured. Then you'll click add device. and it'll say SPERE being added. Okay, I just had to play around with it and I got it together. Now in the app, which is the Olight app, it says added successfully, and I'll click done. Cool. Okay, and it tells me how much battery I have on my SPERE. I have 74%. Okay, let's see what else I can do with this. Updates. The update does allow you to have access to different features and different light modes, which is really cool. It has eyeballs. I'm not sure where the eyeballs are supposed to go. I guess if you want to have like a little cute fun thing, I'll show you. Look at the little eyeballs. I guess if you want to dress it up, it's something fun you can do if you're into that. This is like a really nice metal coin. It sticks to this. It's magnetic. So it sticks to this base, but you could take the 3M off and you can put this wherever you want to put it, and you can just have your light stick onto it. I'm not sure where I like to put that. This is really cute. It's compact. You can put this in your purse and take it with you. It's especially cool if you're going to be like outdoors. You know, the summertime coming up, you may go to a little cookout or something and it gets a little dark. Pop out your little Olight SPERE, light up the mood. Okay. Alright, device connection failure. Why is that? Okay, let's just go back. Okay. So, oh, look at that, y'all. Okay, now. We rocking and we rolling now. Look. I can control how bright or dim the light is. And let me turn my ring light down so you can really... Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay. So we're at white light now. Now we're at red. And now we can do a red flashing light. And here's a color wheel. Let's see. Oh, so we have blue. Hopefully it's showing up nice and blue with my camera. This is more of a... Oh, look at that purple. I don't know if it's showing up purple for you. It's purple. Let's go to yellow. Now it's yellow. This is just showing you all the different colors that you can do on here. That is so nice. You can set the mood for whatever color that you like. You can also use this as a night light if you'd like to. You can sit it on your nightstand, and because you can control it with your phone, you can cut it off when you're ready to. So this is absolutely awesome. I love the easy controls. At first I was like a little nervous about setting up the app, reading all those directions, but it's pretty much plug and play. This is really fun for the kids and adults as well. Okay, so this is general. Let's see what nature has to offer. I like that. Look at that. Okay, let me back it up a little bit. Now, it looks like the lights are just kind of swimming around. Look at that. It's like pretty, it's like mesmerizing. Now let's see what the sunset looks like. This is sunset mode. Then I'm gonna click on blue sky mode. And let me just show you on my cell phone. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. So this is blue sky. And now I'm gonna click on butterfly. This is butterfly. So there's multiple different modes here. Let's see what lilac looks like. This is lilac. I love this little light. It is so pretty. It's in this like clear shell. It's kind of like a pearl in a clamshell. Okay, now fountain. Look at, oh my goodness. Look at fountain. All from the controls of your cell phone, of the app. If you don't want the app, that's cool too. You can just press the buttons on the bottom just to kind of go through some of the different settings, but I think you have more options and it's easier to do it from your cell phone. Okay, now let's click on music rhythm. It says try it. There's a microphone. Let's see, try it. Okay, so, oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. The light is bouncing according to my voice. So if you want to sing or do some karaoke, wow. It even picked up my laugh. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Let's see, can it pick up sounds? It can even pick up sounds. Wow. Whoa. Okay. And then it, okay, this is nice. Now, interactive. Let's see. Countdown to off. I don't know what that means. Confirm. Okay, so you can set a timer to cut it off. Let's see, this next one is you can play a game. So there's Bashamol. So how would that go? Do I touch it? Wait a minute, is this thing really this smart? I just want to see what happens if I don't hit it. Well, how do you keep score? Well, you know, like Bashamo, Smashamo, when you tap it at the arcade with a big hammer and something keeps popping up. Wow, okay. And cloud timing, use with optional getaway. No timer down. Okay, that didn't really work for me. That's fine. I like this. I do. I'm really pleased with this. I'm so grateful. Thank you to Olight for sending this out to me. This is amazing. My kids are gonna love this. And you guys, it's only $17.99 when I went to Olight website. $17.99. This is amazing. And then I didn't even have it turned all the way up. This bad boy gets so bright. Like, wow. And then Olight has so many different types of lights, flashlights. They have flashlights, lights to put on firearms, lights that you can put on your keychains. Oh my goodness, the options are like endless. Okay, so I really like this light. It's very nice. It's like heavy duty. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. This is like beautiful. It's really pretty. It's literally lighting up the whole room, on the ceiling, around me. There's so many options. Again, if you don't want to use the app and that's too fancy for you or too technical, just press it and just kind of play around with it that way as well. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't even think the camera is doing it justice. Again, thank you so much to Olight. You can also go to visit Olight on Amazon. They're on Amazon as well. I think they're currently on sale on Amazon. I'll have a link to where you can purchase this, and you can also go to olight.com. Also, you can follow them on Instagram at Olight World. And this is such a great product. I absolutely love this light. Okay, you guys, so the Olight is absolutely adorable. $17.99. I feel like it's a great price for a great product. On a full charge, the battery does last up to 40 hours. That's a long time. You can dim the light, put it on any different type of setting that you like to. Bright, ambient, a fun setting with the bright colors, multiple colors, sunset. You can use this for reading, put it on your nightstand. I've been keeping mine on my nightstand also. Thank you again to Olight for sending this to me. I will also have a link where you guys can purchase this if you're interested. You can go to olight.com. You can follow Olight on Instagram at Olight World, and then also you can purchase this on Amazon if you'd like to do that. And let me just mention a few key points. It's not only pleasant to look at, but it's also a highly practical and fun to use. all at an affordable price, $17.99, but I did see it cheaper on Amazon. Its design is both pleasing and functional with a transparent casing and a 360 lighting surface, providing a magical illumination experience that combines beauty and utility. The SPERE offers a range of practical functions, but just by clicking the switch at the bottom. But if you download the app, you can access up to 20 options such as white light, red light, flashing light, various dynamic colors, or static vivid colors. Also, with this smart app control, you can bring endless fun, you can adjust the brightness and lighting modes, and even enjoy interactive features like the Basher Mode game, group control of up to 100 spears. Group control, 100 spears? I can only imagine how beautiful that would be. Countdown timers and music synchronization all directly from your phone. So this has a lot to offer for an affordable price. I wouldn't toss it around, but the shell is very, very strong. And this is great for the kids. My kids were instantly drawn into it. It's very powerful. It just lights everything up, and I like the fact that I can adjust the brightness from the app. But again, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy this, and if you're thinking about purchasing it, I think it's great and affordable and a great product for the price. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. They also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.